Patrick grabbed the wallet. Now, what would you do?
Excuse me, sir, but I do believe you've dropped your wallet.
Doesn't look familiar to me.
What? I just saw you drop it. Here.
Nope, it's not mine.
It is yours. I am trying to be a good person and return it to you.
Return what to who?
Patrick, is that you?
What?
I said, is that you?
I can't hear you! It's too dark in here!
If your parents got to meet a real dummy, they'd realize what a genius you really are.
But don't genius live in a lamp?
Hey, Patrick, what am I now?
Stupid?
No, I'm Texas.
What's the difference?
We gotta become entrepreneurs.
Is that gonna hurt?
Quick, Patrick, without thinking. If you could have anything in the world right now, what would it be?
More time for thinking.
Hey, Patrick! You all ready for the big night out tonight?
Yeah, it's gonna rock!
Are you ready to go crazy?
I'm already hearing voices!
Squidward, we finally found you.
Get off me! I'm not Squidward.
Are you Squidward now? Dumb people are always blissfully unaware of how dumb they really are.
I don't know. What do you normally do when I'm gone?
Wait for you to get back.
What a stupid idea! Who wants a Krabby Patty at 3 in the morning?
Oh boy, 3 a.m. Well, maybe it's just because you're ugly.
Hello?
I love you. Wait, SpongeBob! We're not cavemen! We have technology!
Can you take hats in a dignified and sophisticated manner?
You mean like a weenie? Okay. May I take your hat, sir? May I take your hat, sir? May I...
All right, I've heard enough. You've got the job.
Are you Squidward?
No.
Are you Squidward? No.
Are you Squidward? That's okay, take your time. Whoever's the owner of the white sedan, you left your lights on.
She sang that song from her heart. She really misses Texas.
Well, let's go get some Texas and bring it down here.
Patrick, you can't. That's it. Patrick, your genius is showing.
Where? The inner machinations of my mind are an enigma. Did you see my underwear?
No, Patrick.
Did you want to? I followed these footprints right to this exact spot, and then, right where you're standing, I found this bag of peanuts! Ha! Oh, I'm so close to solving this crime, I can almost taste it. You took my only food! Now I'm gonna starve! Firmly grasp it in your hand. Firmly grasp it. Firmly grasp it! It's called the Ugly Barnacle. Once there was an ugly barnacle. He was so ugly that everyone died. The end.
That didn't help at all.
No! My name's not Rick! You know what the problem is?
What?
You got it set to M for Minnie, when it should be set to W for Wumbo.
Patrick, I don't think wumbo is a real word.
Come on, you know. I Wumbo, you Wumbo, he, she, me, Wumbo.
You okay, Patrick?
Finland!
All right, Pinhead, your time is up.
Who you calling Pinhead?
Is this the Krusty Krab?
No, this is Patrick.
Is this the Krusty Krab?
No, this is Patrick.
this the Krusty Krab?
No! This is Patrick! Is mayonnaise an instrument?
No, Patrick, mayonnaise is not an instrument. Horseradish is not an instrument either.
Aren't you Patrick Star?
Yep.
And this is your ID.
Yep.
I found this ID in this wallet. And if that's the case, this must be your wallet.
That makes sense to me.
Then take it.
It's not my wallet.